Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to contact CMC Markets for support. Just follow these steps so you can quickly reach their customer service through phone or email. First, open your browser and search for CMC Markets. Make sure to click on the official website, or you can go directly to cmcmarkets.com/en. Once you're on the website, scroll to the menu and click on About Us, then select Contact Us. On the contact page, you'll see details for the Bermuda head office, as well as information for their international offices. You'll also find options to call or email their support team. CMC Markets phone support is available 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Their contact number is +44 020 3003 8080. If you prefer to email them, you can send your message to global@cmcmarkets.com, and that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll know exactly how to contact CMC Markets anytime you need assistance.